In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Second Brain in Notion template. To begin, open Notion and make sure you are signed in to the workspace where you want your Second Brain to live. Next, create a new page, or choose an existing page where you want to place the template. This is important because a Second Brain works best when it is easy to find and access, so placing it somewhere near the top of your sidebar can save you time later. Now you will add the Second Brain template into Notion. If you have a template link, open it and choose the option to duplicate it into your workspace. If the template is available inside Notion, use the templates option on a new page and select the Second Brain template. Give the page a clear name so it stands out, and keep it consistent with how you name other pages. Clear naming helps your system stay organized as it grows. Once the template is in your workspace, take a moment to look through the main areas it provides. A Second Brain template is designed to capture information quickly and store it in a way that is easy to retrieve later. As you review the sections, focus on understanding what each area is meant for, so you know where new notes, tasks, and resources should go. Next, personalize the template for your workflow. Rename sections if the wording does not match how you think, and adjust any views that feel unnecessary or distracting. The goal is to make the system feel natural to use, because the easier it is, the more likely you are to keep using it consistently. After that, start adding your own content. Add a few notes you want to remember, some tasks you need to complete, and any resources you reference often. When you do this, you are not trying to fill everything at once. You are simply giving the template enough real information so it becomes useful immediately. Finally, make the template part of your daily routine. Keep it open in a pinned browser tab or return to it at the start and end of your day. When something new comes up, capture it right away in the appropriate place. Over time, this simple habit turns the template into a reliable system you can trust that covers everything you need to know.